Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Asia. I am a makeup artist and just generally love makeup. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I need to stop doing that. But today's video is gonna be about YouTubers that I never miss a video from. I have a complete, huge list of people that I follow, people that I'm subscribed to on YouTube, and I don't always watch every single video just because I really don't have a lot of time to, but these 5 people are the people that I never ever miss a video. I mean, if a new video comes on and I have all these videos to watch, I most likely will watch their video first. So if you want to see my list of YouTubers I never miss a video from, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first YouTuber is probably one of my favorites. She was the second YouTuber that I've found. I am pretty new into the makeup world. I'm 39. I'm a late bloomer as far as makeup goes, and she was the one that I just found one day and started watching. Her name is Samantha March. She is a published author and she's a beauty blogger and a YouTuber, and she just has the best personality. I feel like I can relate to her, and although she does a lot more neutral type looks, and of course I am the bright I use bright looks. I just can relate to her better, and she posts almost every single day. I think she posts like 6 days a week, and I love her opinions. She's very down to earth. She does a lot of review videos, and I tend to, whenever I'm looking into getting something, I tend to gravitate to her and watch her videos and see if maybe it's worth getting. We don't always see eye to eye on everything. Of course, you're not going to with any, everybody's different. So we don't always see eye to eye on everything. There's some things that I absolutely love that she did not like, but in general, our tastes kind of mesh. So I also follow her on Instagram and Twitter, and I think I rarely post on Twitter, and I really only load the app just to see her and I think John Mayer and a couple of other people. So, but yeah, and her books are great. So I think that she is very, very much worth watching. Number 2, Nicole Renee Cutler. She is the first YouTuber that I started watching, and yes, I do talk with my hands, I'm sorry. I love her because she does a lot of grunge type eye looks, and I gravitate more towards that. She also has a lot of the same opinions as me. Like, she loved the subculture, and so did I. I use the subculture a lot. So like Samantha March, I relate to her a lot. She's also a fellow Texan. I am in the DFW area. She is in Waco currently, I think. And yeah, but there's a lot of products that I tried when I first started when I first started watching YouTube and I started doing makeup, and that's Bold Face Lashes, ColourPop. She is cruelty free. However, I'm not. I probably should switch to cruelty free, but right now I'm not. So, because I like trying a lot of different things. So yeah, my number 2 is Nicole Renee Cutler. The next one that I watch is Nakia Joy. Now, I watch her videos all the time because she is an oily skin person. I have insanely oily skin. Like anything that I put on, I had so much trouble trying to find a foundation or a primer or whatever because everything would just slide off my skin because I am so oily. I've always been oily. That's just, you know, ever since I was a teenager, I have always had oily skin. I never took care of my skin until recently, so that's probably why I'm dealing with a lot of texture and a lot of enlarged pores and a lot of blackheads. So yeah, that is the main reason why I watch her. Most of the ones that I watch do like neutral eyeshadow looks and stuff like that. So, you know, I don't really go for the tutorials on those, but I did learn a lot from her as far as contouring and things like that, as far as foundation routines and keeping my foundation on. So yeah, I absolutely love her. The next one is Alexandria Ryan. Now, I found her on a whim. I don't know what, I think I just came across her video. It was linked to something else, but I started watching her and she just makes me laugh. She is a lot like me in the sense that I don't take myself seriously. I make fun of myself a lot because I am always doing, you know, I'm always either tripping over things or I'm dropping things. If you see, like I have my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette here, and I dropped it. Instead of keeping it back there where my palettes go, I left it on here, and then I went to move it, and I dropped it and broke this shadow. So I mean, I don't take myself seriously. I make fun of myself a lot. I do stupid things all the time, but you know what? It's life. It's my personality, and she just makes me laugh. Plus, she does a lot of unboxings, and I love watching her unboxings. We are on the last one. The last one, don't know if I'm gonna say her name correctly, but it's Angelica Nyquist, I think. She is Swedish. She is in Sweden, and she loves colorful looks. She loves colorful eyeshadow. That is really what drew me to her, but what kind of made me stay is that she doesn't hold back when it comes to her opinions. She always says what she thinks. She doesn't apologize for anything that she says because that is just her opinion. And you know, we're all on here for that. We give our opinions. You don't have to like the opinions, but we give them. And if she doesn't like something, she's not going to tell you that she likes it just because she either got an NPR or, you know, it was sponsored or whatever. It's just, oh wait, she doesn't do sponsored videos. I'll talk about that too. But yeah, she gives her opinion. She tries it. If she doesn't like it, she will tell you. And I think that right now that's like that's a breath of fresh air, especially in the beauty community. So that is why I stayed. She also doesn't do sponsored videos. She has a video explaining that, and all of these YouTubers I will link down below, but I'm pretty sure y'all watch them too. So I am just getting started in YouTube, and yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that is my list of the 5 YouTubers that I never miss a video. I mean, I never miss a video. I watch all of them. And I even have gone back and watched their like very first videos and caught up on like everything just because I love them that much. So yeah, that is all that I had for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, and I also do have tutorials, then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications. Oh my gosh. Also, if you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I am Mindset and Mascara on both of those. I interact act more on Instagram just because I'm on there more. I do get on Facebook, but I'm not. I was doing a bunch of lives, but I stopped doing that because I get more engagement on Instagram. So that is where I am normally. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.